Hello friend, today I will introduce this 7-in-1 intelligent ice blue hydrofacial and skin analyzer machine for you. I will introduce this machine to you from the following points. Now we're installing the machine. First, let me show the disassembly and installation of the D-bottle and wastewater bottle. When we disassemble, we need to hold here with our hands, and then pull it back to remove it. When we install, we need to align the bottle with the two holes on the machine, and then push the bottle into it. The method of removing the wastewater bottle is the same as the D-bottle. Let's install the 7 PCS handles. Next we install cool hammer handle, hydrodermabrasion handle and spray gun. First we need to find the interface corresponding to the handle, and then insert it into the card slot. Insert the remaining 2 handles in the same way. Next is the installation of skin scrubber handle, gold RF handle, ultrasonic handle and skin detection handle. To install these 4 handles, you must first find the corresponding socket on the machine. Then match the notch on the probe to the slot of the socket, insert it. And tighten the nut. The remaining 3 handles are installed in the same way. Next we need to install 3 solution bottles of B. See, we can make corresponding care solutions in these 3 bottles according to the needs. First align the mouth of the bottle with the buckle, and then slowly tighten. The other 2 bottles are installed in the same way. Next is the installation of the operation screen. First of all, we need to find the communication port at the bottom of the screen, align it with the connection port of the machine, and then put the screen into the card slot. Then we need to connect the power cord on the machine to the. Before using the machine, you need to add water to the machine. Pull out the D-bottle and wastewater bottle. On the back of the machine, we can see the water inlet port and overflow port. Connect the funnel to the water inlet and the pipe to the overflow, then add water to the funnel. When there is water leakage from the overflow port conduit, the water is added. This process requires about 500 milliliters of water. First, turn on the power switch on the back of the machine. The machine lights up. Then long press the power button here to start the iPad. There are application icons on our computer desktop. Click once to select it, then double-click it to start the application software. Then enter the login interface. If it is for new customers, we need to register first. The registration interface includes member name, mobile phone number, gender, date of birth, optional, address, optional. We complete the above information collection according to the customer's situation. After filling in, we can point the camera at the customer, and click here to take a picture of the customer, which can be used as a record. After the above steps are completed, we click the confirmation button to complete the registration. Next we enter through the login interface. You can choose face login or enter the registered mobile phone number to log. After logging in, we can see that there are 4 modules on the home page. Comprehensive testing, fixed point detection, view record and nursing. The first one is comprehensive testing. After entering, you can see 6 testing parts. They are forehead, eye corner, cheek, nose, mouth corner, chin. The first is forehead. We need to align the detection handle with our forehead. Click the button on the handle to take a picture. Each part needs to take 3 pictures. Next we follow the same method to complete the operation of other parts. When finished, we click the Analysis button to analyze. After a while, we will enter the Comprehensive Analysis interface. You can see 8 analysis options: wrinkle, pore, spot, roughness, oil content, moisture, sensitivity, acne. Click to select the corresponding analysis option. You can see the analysis report below. Click on the pore option. We can see the pores in the report and the worst part of the pores. Let's look at the moisture option, which will show the most water-scarce parts. Then we can select the sun option, and we can see the comprehensive situation of the 8 analysis options. The last one is to recommend product options. Product pictures, product function effects, and product lists will be displayed here. Before recommending products to customers, we need to fill in the product information into the software in advance. Click here to browse the detection skin report. We can print it out to the Next is the fixed point detection module. If you want to focus on analyzing a certain part of the customer, you can use this module. There are also 8 analysis options to choose from. If we need to analyze the pores of the nose, we choose the pore option and take a picture of the nose. Then you can get the analysis report immediately. If you want to see the oil content of your nose, do the same. Entering the View Record module, we can see the results of comprehensive testing. If you need to view the customer's past reports, you can find it here according to time. Next, I will explain nursing module. There are 6 working handles, namely ultrasonic, gold RF, ice head, iron gun pen, iron bubble pen, spade knife. First look at the iron gun pen. This instrument is more convenient. We can click the screen, or the button on the handle to start, pause. The sprayed water is misty, which is more conducive to skin absorption. Next is the iron bubble pen. We can also directly click this button to start the operation. We can see that the suction power is very strong. And we can adjust the suction power through this knob. Then we can adjust the amount of water through the knob on the right. The middle knob is used to select the solutions in the 4 bottles of B, C, and D, and use iron gun pen to care for the customer's skin. Generally, the required skincare solution is added to the 3 bottles of ABC, and purified water is added to the D bottle. Next is spade knife. There are 3 modes. M1 is continuous working mode. AM2 and M3 are intermittent working mode. Here is the energy adjustment, which can be set from 1 to 10. We suggest to adjust from 3. When working, there is a sense of warmth, and the energy can be appropriately increased or decreased according to customer feedback. Next is ultrasonic. We can see the effect through water drops. Energy is also adjusted from 3, and can be adjusted appropriately with customer feedback. Next is gold RF. The maximum energy is 10. We start adjusting from 3. We need to move constantly during operation, and we can't stay in one part for too long. Finally, the ice head. First press the button to activate the handle. The blue light indicates that the working head is a cooling effect, and the minimum temperature can reach 10 degrees Celsius. If you need hot compress, you can increase the temperature. The maximum temperature is 50 degrees Celsius. This time is a red light. The above is the introduction of the operation of the 6 handles. In addition, the ion bubble pen is equipped with a total of 6 tips. It can be replaced according to the shape of the customer's nose. There are 2 aprons. Ion bubble pen tips cannot be tightened. Next, we focus on the product upload method. On the login interface, we click the administrator button and enter the default password. 123456. After entering, we can see 4 options. The first is the member management option. Our registered customers, their registration information and login information will be displayed here. The second is machine management. The system default parameters are sufficient. The third is password management, where we can modify the administrator password. The fourth is product management, which refers to uploading recommended products. First of all, we can use the EU disk to copy the product information that needs to be uploaded, such as product photos, product function and effect description, etc., into the iPad. Then click the Add button, click the picture of the added product. Select the photos already prepared on the iPad, and then you can upload the product photos. Then enter the product name. We can edit it. If we need to upload a hydrating cream product, we first enter the product name. Then check the functions of hydrating cream, such as oil content, pore, moisture. Then enter the functional effect description of hydrating cream. Click OK to complete the product upload. The products we upload now are related to the skin detection function. When detecting skin with oil content, pore, moisture problems, it will automatically recommend the product moisturizing cream we just uploaded. The completed products will be displayed in a list here. Product editing and uploading. We can edit and recommend according to our own product features and functions. Finally, this device can be connected to the internet, and it will run faster when connected to the internet. The above is all the operation steps and introduction.